Wanted to do a short video on design aspects of products. We've been so trained and brainwashed to buy products that are made cheaply. They don't last. We don't really know what to look for. We just buy into the smoke and mirror marketing and all the crazy hoopla that they create for us. And before we know it, we've bought another product that needs to be thrown away. So I believe that by looking at a product, if you know what you're looking at, the design will speak for itself, the materials used will speak for themselves, and no warranty is needed to back it up because you know that it's how it's made. You know that it's using normal type products. Like for instance, in a mattress, the covers, are they zippered to allow you to access the inside, or are they sealed shut where you can never get into them? Okay, what do you think is a better design criteria? But which one costs more? Well, you got to add a zipper now, so that costs more. Well, aside from that, which is better? Well, we chose to use a zippered cover. What type of materials do they use? Is it top of the line premium materials that will last, have a track record, like in a mattress, latex? Everything is considered or compared to latex because it is considered the most top of the line premium material that you could sleep on in the sleep industry. So anytime you see a new product within the industry, the jargon will always be, well, it sleeps like latex, it supports like latex, it rebounds like latex, but it's not latex and it won't last like latex. So in our design, when you see it, we're using top of the line organic latex. There's no glues. So again, the design speaks for itself. We're using the best possible thing that you can sleep on. Is any of it proprietary? Can I replace these parts on my own? Say the company goes out of business, can I still utilize their product? Well, with our design, you can. I mean, we're not using any weird numbered, millimeters or odd fractional measurements. We're using 3-inch and 2-inch. Those are nominal standard measurements used in the foam industry. So when they manufacture it, it usually comes into a 6-inch or what they call a bun. And so they slice that in either 2-inch or 3-inch, and that's what we use. So if you want to use some cheap foam or memory foam or horsehair or something, as long as you configure it, cut it down to a 16 by 30 by 3-inch, you can use it in our mattress. So, I mean, not that we're going to go out of business, but the bottom line is the design speaks for itself. That whether or not the company exists, your product can still be used to its fullest and best potential, irregardless of a company being able to back it or not. So check out our mattress. I believe our design is the best. It's very simple. It's zoned, 5 zones. It's split in half. We have 4 layers, so you can't get any simpler. And then we just didn't glue it together, so you can take it apart and flip them, rotate them, replace them, clean them, and never have to buy another mattress again or have to go to the landfill. And then as far as design goes, we also, or with this design, I created it, the concept is from cradle to grave, meaning from the baby stage of a crib, you can use 3 of the cushions out of our bed, use that until they grow into where they need a bigger bed, say half of the queen size bed instead of a twin, which is what they've sold us forever, or full size or whatever other sizes that don't make sense. But this system is modular, so you take the 3 cushions from the crib, you add 7 or 12 more, depending if you're going to go with a 6-inch or an 8-inch, or depending on the thickness that you want for your child. And then once they use that until they're, say, in their 20s, and then they want a bigger bed, or they get a girlfriend or a boyfriend and they get married, they want the full-size queen bed. Now you buy the remaining other side of the cushions, a new queen size cover, and now you have your bed has taken you from a baby to old age. And along the way, you could repurpose, recycle the other covers for either your siblings or, pass them down to relatives or just sell them. They'll be like new anyway. So again, the design speaks for itself. We didn't create something that was meant to be thrown away ever. We didn't make something that was going to take your money and continually take your money every 4 or 5 years, with you having to always throw away the item or deal with the recycling of it. As a manufacturer, we took it upon ourselves to create something that no one has ever done before, and hopefully you'll see that when you see it in person. So come on down. We're at the Bespoke Mattress Company in the Outlet Collection Mall in Auburn, Washington.